Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And if you are a content creator and you are looking for a tool which can create content or generate content with AI, then this is the video you should not miss. So let's start this video and I will tell you how this content can be created with ease. Okay, so if you want to use a tool which can generate AI content for your blog, for your YouTube video description, or anywhere you want to publish the content, and it should be a unique content, that is more important, and within few minutes with the help of AI you can create magical content which you can post in your social media, or even you can want to post those content into the blog. The product which I'm talking about, that is Thunder Content, and it is really awesome. So let's talk about it, that what exactly you are going to get with this particular software. And if you are first time here, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. If you have any questions, shoot out in the comment section. Let's move on with the product Thunder Content. Whenever I try to look for a particular product, I always look for a deal when a product is running a deal. So at this moment, if I straight away go to the pricing, because the pricing section always give you a very good understanding that how this product is going to work and how much payment you need to do, right? But if you can see, this is the product where you can generate multiple content with the help of AI, which is really good, and it works very quickly. I've tested it, it works very quickly. But the thing is, you can see this is a very expensive tool, but if you have it, then this is going to make your day, right? Because nowadays we know the content is king, and to write multiple contents, it requires lots of effort, and it requires lots of research and time as well. When you are saving your time, that money is nothing, I would believe. But at the time when I'm recording this particular video, they are running a lifetime deal. Yes, they are running a lifetime deal. That means you just want to pay one time and you are going to get this particular tool right away into your bucket, just paying once. Okay, so let's move on to the product, how it works. So if we go to discover and see features, so I've seen that it has a very good feature. The first thing is AI writer assistant. That is the main thing. I definitely like it, and it works very quickly. And the second thing is write on a topic. Basically what happens is when you try to find out what exactly you want to write about, so this tool can also suggest the title of that particular content. So let's say if you search a particular content and you push it and try to look for, okay, what will be the title, so in that case it can also suggest you a best title which you can use for this particular app. So app is Thunder Content, but it is really awesome. So next thing is, which is very important when you are writing a blog or writing any content for anyone, that is 100% unique content, which is really important. So this content, always check that, and you are going to get 100% unique content. That is again one of the best thing. So you can see it has a editor as well. It can support multiple languages. It can support English, it can support French, Spanish, Italian, and at this moment it supports 13 languages. So what I believe is later and slowly when they move on, they will also add on more languages. So this is very good tool. I would definitely go for. If you see the pricing, I will show you the pricing as well. If you want to purchase this particular software, the link is there in the description. You just need to hit that and grab your copy today, because the deal is going on. I don't know how much it is going to last, because this is a very good product and you should invest if you are writing multiple blog posts or you are doing content writing work. Then it is really awesome. If you see blog post title generation, that is also done. Blog post intro generation, that is also done. So moreover, blog post outline generation is also been covered in this particular tool. So you can also optimize the SEO of that particular content, because you don't need to worry about, because AI is going to do all the hard work and create the content for you. So if you go to the demo section, if you see that it can create content very quickly. Okay, and you can see some examples as well. You can see and try to read. If you click this whole content is being generated with the help of this tool. So if you want to grab this tool, what you need to do, I will give you a link is there in the description, and after you click the link, you will land to a particular page. I will show you. you will land to this AppSumo deal. Okay, in the AppSumo deal, you can see there are two tires. Which tire is good for you? I will try to help you to understand and help you to pick what exactly the correct plan for you. Right. The first is the tire one. The tire one gives you all features which are included. If we go above and you can see what are the features: AI writer assistant, idea block generation, intro block generation, outline blog post generation, then clean text editor, which is again all the things will be done with the powered by AI, and export TXT, PDF, MD, and HTML formats, and article with HTML. Okay, so that means you are getting these features, and you need to generate. There is a capping of 10,000 words which you can use to generate the content. And if you feel that you are doing it rigorously and you require more words, so then you should go for the tier 2, because I personally went with tier 2 because it has unlimited users, because we have a team, so our team can use it and work on it. So it has unlimited users, unlimited word per month, and even you can invite some members as well to do some modification and changes. So this is really a good tool. I strongly believe this deal you should not be missing it, because we all know whenever we are working online, so content is one of the important thing which we need to really work upon. So this is one of the great tool which we should really pick up, and I will show you how this tool works. Now understand the power of Thunder Content. As you know that this is a lifetime deal, and this is an AI powered content generator. So I know the quality of the content is also very good, and it is SEO friendly, and I know I have used it. So let's see how we can create a content. You will hit the new article tab, and in that it will give you a content title option as well. So let's say you are not sure what exactly you need to write about, how the content would be. You just write a particular keyword, and it will try to suggest you what is the best title can be for your article. Then you hit it, and it will generate a paragraph as well for you. So the initial paragraph which you can really understand and outline, so that also can be generated very easily with this particular tool. So then you can get into, you can see that's how easy it is, and you can generate the topic, and each topic details can be generated by clicking some buttons. So you need to make out one thing, that every click is going to eat up your credits. So if you have 10,000 credits, if you're going for the first tier, then it is very important that you should pick it properly. And now you can see by hitting a click button how quickly it generates a paragraph, and it is writing up for you. You don't need to do anything, you just need to hit up and generate. Now we can export it to text, PDF, or HTML. This is how it works. I guess this is an awesome tool, you should grab it, and even HTML format. So you can share your feedback after purchase. What do you think about this particular tool? If you think Thunder Content can create a great AI content which you can really use it in your blog post or blog creation, and if you like it, definitely hit the like button, share your ideas, share your comments, and if you have anything in your mind, please shoot out in the comment section. So thanks for watching. We will again post a new video related to this. Thank you.